Okay, this is just a little short, quick video on how you're going to submit some of your assignments. Some of them I ask you for a screen capture image so that you just show me the work that you've done. And some I'll ask you to print a PDF of a drawing. So I just wanted to go through these kind of quickly to show you how to do that. Here's a here's a project. Here's actually the project you'll be doing in 1129. How it's going to look at the end. But anyway, to do a screen capture, uh, if you're working with a single monitor, then you can do you can press down Control. Well, first open Microsoft Word and get you a blank document in there, and then come back and activate your Revit program or whatever you're doing, and hold down the Control key on the keyboard, and then press the Print Screen button uh, up along the function keys, and then that will create a screen capture of the image. And then you go to your Word document, and you can insert, or you can do Control V to paste it. The problem is if you're running dual monitors, is it captures both monitors. Okay, like you can see here. If you just had the one monitor, then that would probably work. You can always crop it. Well, that's resizing it, so that won't work. You can crop it. Um, Most everybody's running Windows 8 or Windows 10, and it includes the snipping tool. Now I've put it here in my taskbar. You can come over here to your search and go snipping tool and launch that, and you can add it to your taskbar. I keep it there because I use it quite a lot. You got a couple of different modes here: freeform, rectangular, window, and if you're doing the whole thing, you can do window or you can do rectangle. That's fine. Either one of those works. And so you'll go new, and you snip in the window that you want, and you see here it's created an image of that. Uh, you can save that as a JPEG. We come up here and hit save, or you can copy it, Control C, copy it to your clipboard, and go to Windows, and then paste it right there into Windows. Okay, and then save this to submit in Blackboard, because some of the assignments will just be one screen capture, some will be multiple screen captures, and you can put several of them in the same document. Okay, and save this Word document and submit that in Blackboard. Okay, let me close this down. All right, so once we get into Revit, let me go to a drawing here. This will be a few weeks into the semester. Um, the Revit files get pretty big. So after a while, when your models have grown and we start doing drawings, I'll just have you submit the drawing um, instead of the whole package, because the files get pretty big. So we'll go to a drawing sheet, and the instructions will show you how to set up drawing sheets and things like that. I just want to quickly go over printing a PDF. So you've got your drawing sheet here active and ready. Click on the big R, go down to print, or let's see, do we have it on export? No. Okay, so we got to go to print, and you can go through the different options there, but here, probably what you'll use the Microsoft Print to PDF. I've installed Qt PDF Writer on my computers. It's a PDF printer, and it works pretty well with a lot of things. But Microsoft Print to PDF works pretty good too, and that comes already installed. You want to check your properties. Yep, landscape orientation, paper size, So this is the problem with the Microsoft, is it doesn't go up to its biggest. But we'll go with Tabloid, which is an 11 by 17. I don't know if we can override that or not. Let's see. We're going to do a single file. Okay, I'm doing, and this is the file I'm working out of here. Okay, or two. Print range. Current window is fine. If you're doing multiple sheets, you go here, selected sheets, and select. And these are, you can choose between sheets and views. So I'm going to uncheck views. And now I can choose what sheets I want. Okay, if I just got one sheet, I do that. If I got multiple sheets that I want to print to a PDF, and I just choose whichever ones I want. Okay. No, I don't want to save it for future things. All right, now go into settings. And because this Microsoft Print PDF only has standard paper sizes, we're going with Tabloid. Landscape, we're going to center it, and we're going to go fit to page. Not the best way to do it, but that's what we're going to do for turning in your work in Blackboard. Okay. Then we'll go OK. And OK again. Yes. And then it comes up with where I want to name it. And so I'm just going to drop it on my desktop. And whatever the assignment tells you to name it as. All right. And let's see here. Where did it save it at? See, my desktop's a little cluttered. There we go. And pull it back over. And now this is an 11 by 17 sheet of paper in which your title block and everything has been scaled down. But this will be sufficient for me to grade. Okay. All right. So that's how you do those two things. If you've got questions, shoot me an email. Come by the lab and see me. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say on it. Okay. If you got questions, shoot me an email.